Hi guys, it's Kim here with Maya and Jade. And we have Jade's mini bee all packed up. We're gonna go to the botanical gardens and we decided to take the mini bee today.
What's a mini bee?
That's the name of the diaper bag. It's not a diaper bag, it's your backpack. Okay, so this is the perfect size for a quick trip. We're gonna be gone for about an hour or two. In here, I have my wallet. It's a full-size wallet from Target and it fits perfectly in there. In the side bottle pocket, I have my daughter's Fugo water cup, and that fits well. The water bottle pockets on this bag are really short, so anything taller than this really looks ridiculous. On the other side, I have a Baby Ganix hand sanitizer and a pack of tissues. And then I just have this little unicorn. I'm not even sure what it is, but the person I bought the bag from sent it with, and Jade loves it on there. I love how far these zippers go down, plus they're gusseted. So you can see everything inside, nothing falls out. We have a sunscreen in the front. We have a replay snack tower, a Quick with 2 cloth diapers and a wet bag, a Huggies wipes, my 15-ounce Sip by Swell bottle. At the bottom, I have a change of clothes just laying in there for both girls. And then in the zipper pocket, I have my car keys. That is everything we would need for an hour or two out, and it fits in this mini bee super, super well. I'll try to show some on the body shots here at the end on both myself and my 3-year-old.